Krishna Bandari, proprietor of White Lotus Bookshop, inviting you to join us at our upcoming event, New York Writer Workshop and Himalayan Literature Festival 2020. About you, New York Writer Workshop will take place at Park Place in Budalin Center on 22nd of May. And now I am here at Kathmandu Guest House. This is the place where we have the Himalayan Literature Festival on 27 and 28 of May, and these 2 days will be filled to the brim with literary activities, panels of discussion, book launches, soul-stirring poetry readings from different poets in Nepali, Newari, Maithili, English and some other indigenous languages will take place. Our early bird deadline is over, but for the South Asian Nepali writers, special registration is available. Please feel free to reach out to us at whitelotusbookshop@gmail.com, or you can visit my bookstore in Kupandol, or you can explore New York Writer Workshop website for more detail. Looking forward to seeing you in Kathmandu. I hope you're going to have a great time. Till then, namaste and bye-bye.